In a pan, add well. Chicken. Add ginger garlic paste. Salt. Add black pepper, white pepper, cumin powder. Vinegar, hot sauce, soya sauce. One cup. Tomato ketchup. Cook for 10 minutes on low flame. Another pan. Add all. 1 small onion. Cabbage. Slightly sauté. Then add capsicum, carrot. Salt. Black pepper, white pepper. Spaghetti starch, water in which spaghetti boiled. Half chicken cube. Or you can add Ajinomoto. Boiled spaghetti. Mix well. Two tsp sesame oil. Spring onion. Keep aside. 1 cup. Mayonnaise. 1/3 cup. Tomato ketchup. 1 tsp. Hot sauce. 1/2 tsp. Black pepper. 1 tsp. Honey. Transfer it in a squeezing bottle. Assembling. Take or a platter. Boiled rice. Spaghetti. Chicken gravy. Prepared sauce. Let's prepare .tarka. Green chili. Garlic. Sesame. Enjoy! Like, share, subscribe.